Hello everyone, today we are making Turkish delight. Now this is an extremely yummy snack. With Valentine's Day coming up, this might make a nice treat. You can technically use any color or flavor you want. Traditionally it is rose water, lemon, pistachio, and orange blossom. Oh, I love gelatin. Of course, you can boil in a kettle too, but we don't have a kettle. This is a really nice step because once it sets, you mix it and you want it to look like mashed potatoes. And I know it looks like a lot of sugar, but that's because it is a lot of sugar. I know we said to boil 1.5 cups of water, but that is just in case your water boils off. You only really need 1 cup. Now, this is what I was personally confused about. Like, you just hardened the gelatin. Why are you getting rid of the hardness? Well, to get rid of that clumpiness you saw at the beginning and to get it nice and smooth. Now, once you see those delicious looking bubbles, you add the ascorbic acid. Instead of the ascorbic acid, you can use ½ teaspoon of tartaric acid. I know ascorbic acid sounds scary, but it's just a vitamin C. Now we're gonna add the clinging film. You don't have to do this. I would suggest using the cling film. I just find it better personally. Whether you use cling film or not, make sure you spray it either way. It takes a little bit of time, so you cannot do this last minute. I'd say start at least a day in advance. If it doesn't come out easily, you can dip the whole container in hot water and so the edge will melt and then it will come out nicely. Now it looks so beautiful, just like this. Make sure the Turkish delight is dry before you put sugar on it or it will start getting clumpy. It was tricky to start getting the cling film off, but once you get started, it peels off quite nicely. Now, to get us into the cutting process, when you're cutting, you do not want to use a sawing motion. You want to just chop right through, and you cut right through it, because otherwise it sticks to the knife and takes longer. Now, it will stick to the knife a little bit, but it should peel away easy. It's very sticky. It sticks a lot, like a lot. But you would have to wrap them individually. That's why we add the powder so they don't stick together. This is a very satisfying process to watch, but very frustrating process to do because you have to stand each one up. I mean, you don't have to, but my dad made me for aesthetic purposes. And it was very satisfying because all of the last few were in threes and it was amazing. And I even got into a group and I just flicked the knife backward and they would stand up on their own. Beautiful heart. Now, this is the most important step. You have to make sure they're not poisonous. I'm just joking, but if you want some, make sure they're not poisonous. Please like and subscribe. Thank you!